Paiute said you're a friend. You're a friend. Why, Lord? I don't know what keeps him going, Adam. I just don't.
Where does he live? I'll take him home.
With a small band of Paiutes, you ride the trail north about 5 miles out of town.
I'm McDermott. Who are you and what do you want around here?
Name's Cartwright. I came up to find some cattle that's straight up here.
Cattle?
A friend of ours saw them up here last week.
Then they're trespassing. Take some advice, mister, and just move on out of this town.
All right, I heard you.
You better hear real good, mister. This is McDermott's town.
Is that a public road?
Yeah, that's a public road. You step off of it and you're likely to be stepping on my property.
I'll be very careful.
He's doing that drunk a favor.
Maybe you heard about that little wife he's got out there.
Shut up.
Mister? Well, what's wrong with you? Everybody says she's a looker. You even said yourself, did it?
I told you to shut up.
All right, McDermott. You're the boss.
Get some men take care of them cattle he's talking about. Then he won't have an excuse for staying around here.
I come as a friend.
You come as a fool. He dead, you die.
He's not dead. Just had too much whiskey.
Don't talk. Just come and be quiet. I submit.
I'm only in my 60s. I've got a nice long life ahead. Big plans. So when I found out...
I'm done.